Hey, I'm Steve McAtee at Rane again. We're going to talk about this HAL1x, our most expandable of our 4 drag-and-drop DSP devices. The HAL1x here has a red expansion bus port on it, on the back panel picture here we have. This can be 300 feet from up to 4 of these different expanders. We have 4 models of expanders, 300 feet on shielded Cat5 between each of these red expansion ports on the 4 expanders we make, 3 of which have been shipping for several months now. So to add more audio channels or RAD ports, you can grab the HAL1x, which adds more of these RAD ports where you can spread the A to D and D to A converters on the wall. Those 20-some RAD models we make plug in here are the controller remotes. The HAL3x is an output zone line level output expander with 8 outputs and a logic port and a couple of RAD ports, so it's really a 4-in, 12-out audio device with some controller remote ports on it. The HAL5x is an input in DSP expander, and this has 12 audio channels inputs. It can be either mic or mic with phantom power, or line level, or a thing we call line plus. And line plus is the idea that it will automatically mono a stereo unbalanced consumer input in any one of these, so you could plug 12 stereo satellite feeds into this, for example, and mono those. The newest expander that doesn't ship till October is the HAL7x, and this is a drag-and-drop acoustic echo cancer for conference room applications, where there are 8 channels of acoustic echo cancer in here, and you can think of this as sort of a DSP farm for the HAL1x, and you can drag and drop up to 8 acoustic echo cancers if you're doing your far-end, near-end thing. Another thing we're just working on for October is web controls, where you can get the halogen software that you use to program all these HAL devices, and any HAL can work with this web-based control. So we create an HTML file. So you can say, let's grab a subset of all the level controls and put 3 or 4 of them on a HTML page, and I can go in and change selections from a PC or a CD player. And it's not Apple-centric. This is a web page, so anybody that has a cell phone with a browser or their PC, so the killer app for that is a presentation location, for example, in a meeting room or hotel, where you could put our USB audio RAD underneath the podium, and probably, for example, you would put a QR code underneath the podium so they could take their phone out of their pocket and scan a QR code, and it would just open this web page to control the hotel, for example, the volume in the hotel. So that's what's going on with Rane. Thanks a lot.